Independent samples t-test analysis with Navure. To illustrate this procedure, we will use the test data named milk, protein, 2 treatments. Locate this file in the test data repository. The data is the result of a test with dairy cattle to compare 2 treatments on the average protein content of milk. Each data entry is the average protein content of a dairy farm over the test period. All dairy farms were similar and randomly assigned to the 2 treatments. To perform a paired t-test, go to the Univariate Statistics tab and press the 2 sample button. It has a drop-down menu. Select Independent Samples t-test. Drag protein to the list of response variables, and treatment to the grouping factors list. Then, press the blue play button and wait for the output. The result is easy to understand. It says that Group 1 is treatment T1, and Group 2 is treatment T2. Treatment 1 has 11 observations and treatment 2 has 12. The mean protein content is shown for each treatment and the difference is about 0.12 percentage points. Given the standard significance level of 5% and the observed p-value, the difference is statistically significant. We can do a very simple graphic representation using a bar chart. To do this, go to the Graphic tab, press the button bars, drag protein to the y-axis list and treatment to the x-axis list and press the blue play button. To improve this graph, let's copy the p-value from the Results tab. To copy the p-value, press the left mouse button and drag over the p-value. Click the right mouse button and choose Copy. Then return to the graph, choose Text Annotations, and click the graph. An annotation box appears. The text within the annotations box is already selected. Right-click, and choose Paste. Edit the text to explain that the number displayed is a p-value. You can also add image annotations to your graph. When you are finished editing, click outside the annotation box to make the annotation fit. Now let's reduce the width of the bar by holding down the Control key and scrolling down with the mouse wheel. Using the same technique, but now holding down the Alt key and scrolling up with the mouse wheel will increase the size of all the fonts. We can also turn off the grid and play with different colors. A common non-parametric alternative to this test, the Independent Samples Wilcoxon rank test, is also implemented in Navure. The procedure is the same. The results are easy to understand using this example. You can try it on this data for comparison.